As the name suggests, presentation documents are used to organize charts and tables so that you can easily and professionally display an overview of your work. The presentation document window opens outside the application to give you more flexibility when building, comparing, presenting, and sharing charts. In this video, we'll introduce you to the basic concepts you'll need to know to start creating presentation documents. One of the functions of presentation documents is to serve as an interactive chart library, organized to present ideas logically. Your charts can be organized by pages and in folders. Let's start by creating a new presentation document that can be used to review a collection of macroeconomic and financial indicators. For our example, we'll look at the US and Japanese economies, as well as some emerging market currencies. There are a few different ways to add a chart to a presentation. First of all, make sure to select the chart you want to add in the analysis tree. To add this chart, you can either click on the Present button in the command bar, use the Ctrl-Q shortcut, or right-click on the chart in the analysis tree and select In New Presentation Document. This will generate a new presentation document in a separate window with all the presentation document settings. To add the rest of the charts to the same document, right-click and select Add to Presentation Document from the context menu. Another way to add charts to a presentation is from the presentation window, where you can simply click on Add Document and select from your saved documents. As you can see, all the charts you add are listed in the Overview section on the left. If you want to organize these charts, you can use pages and folders to provide some structure to the presentation. We'll start by clicking on Add Folder under the Home tab. To name a folder, right-click and select Rename from the context menu and start typing. And then simply drag your charts into the relevant folders. As you can see, you now have a nicely organized presentation. But let's say you want to show multiple charts at once. In that case, you simply add a page to the relevant folder, name it in the same way as before, and drag and drop the charts you want to display on that page. It's important to remember that charts are added to presentation documents with links to the Macrobond documents they were built in, so you'll have to make sure the documents are saved before adding charts to a presentation. If you want other people in your team or organization to have access to your presentations, you should save the underlying Macrobond documents, as well as the presentation document, to an account your colleagues have access to. Now that you know how to create and organize a presentation document, you can go ahead and have a look at the follow-up learning materials. We'll be covering how to adjust the appearance of your presentations, export them to PowerPoint, and a few other useful features that make it easier to work with charts.